Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In this video I'm gonna show you how to clean your USB charging port on your Poco X4 GT device. So, firstly, remember one rule. Never use metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage the moisture protection and the charging mechanism itself. I suggest you use the old toothbrush, which you no longer use. So, as you can see, there is something in my charging port that's preventing the charging cable from going all the way into the connector, and now we are going to try to clear it. So, firstly, you need to take the cover off if you have, and take the brush in your hand. Then just insert the one part of the brush into the connector and just try to pry the dirt out. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.